If you're eyeing the Monzo Flex Credit Card for your 2025 spending, it's a unique blend of buy now, pay later, BNPL, and traditional credit card features. But is it right for you? Monzo Flex, integrated into the Monzo app, lets you spread purchases over 3, 6, or 12 months. Payments over 3 months are interest-free for purchases 100 plus, while longer terms carry a 29% APR variable, which can get pricey. With a credit limit up to $10,000, it's usable anywhere MasterCard is accepted, online or in-store, with no foreign transaction fees, making it great for travel. Section 75. Protection covers eligible purchases, 130,000, offering refunds if goods are faulty or undelivered, unlike most BNPL services. The app's real-time tracking, instant notifications, and early repayment flexibility are user-friendly, earning a 4.95/5 from 2005-11 reviews, with 93% of users recommending it. However, a 96% drop in 5-star reviews recently hints at issues, like one user's complaint about unexpected interest. You must be a Monzo current account holder to apply, and missed payments after a 7-day grace period hit your credit score. For short-term, interest-free flexibility, Monzo Flex shines. For long-term credit, a 0% purchase card might save more.